This is part 2 of our lesson on mixing the enclitic particle kaya with other particles. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back! This video is the continuation of our lesson on mixing the enclitic particle kaya with other particles that we have learned so far. The enclitic particles na, pa, ba, lang, and naman. You should know by now that mixing enclitic particles in the same phrase or sentence increases the texture and expands the meaning of that phrase or sentence. So, let's take a look at how mixing the enclitic particle kaya with na, pa, ba, lang, and naman creates new meaning to a phrase or a sentence in Tagalog. But first, be reminded that these definitions are not exact as the translation may vary a bit depending on the context. So, tara! Simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's begin with the combination of na, kaya. Oo na kaya? Do you suppose it's already a yes? Now, you already know that when we change the tone from a questioning tone to a declarative tone, the meaning changes. Oo na kaya? It's already a yes if you haven't noticed. Did you notice the difference? Here's some more. Listen carefully. Hindi na kaya? Do you suppose it's already a no? Hindi na kaya? It's already a no if you haven't noticed. Tama na kaya? Do you suppose it's already enough? Do you suppose it's already correct? Tama na kaya? It's already enough if you haven't noticed. It's already correct if you haven't noticed. Tapos na kaya? Do you suppose it's already finished? Tapos na kaya? It's already finished if you haven't noticed. Kahit na kaya? Do you suppose it's already possible even though? Kahit na kaya? It's already possible even though if you haven't noticed. Pwede na kaya? Do you suppose it's already possible? Pwede na kaya? It's already possible if you haven't noticed. Sige na kaya? Do you suppose it's already a go-ahead? Sige na kaya? It's already a go-ahead if you haven't noticed. Ayos ba? For our next examples, I will be using demonstrative pronouns. Here's our first set, still on the combination of na, kaya. Ito na kaya? Do you suppose this is already it? Iyan na kaya? Do you suppose that is already it? Iyon na kaya? Do you suppose that over there is already it? Nandito na kaya? Do you suppose it's already here? Nandiyan na kaya? Do you suppose it's already there? Nandoon na kaya? Do you suppose it's already over there? Cool? Here's our next set on the combination of pa, kaya. Listen carefully. Ito pa kaya? Do you suppose this one too? Iyan pa kaya? Do you suppose that one too? Iyon pa kaya? Do you suppose that one over there too? Nandito pa kaya? Do you suppose it's still here? Nandiyan pa kaya? Do you suppose it's still there? Nandoon pa kaya? Do you suppose it's still over there? So far, so good. Here's our next set of sample phrases with ba, kaya. Ito ba kaya? Do you suppose it's this one? Iyan ba kaya? Do you suppose it's that one? Iyon ba kaya? Do you suppose it's that one over there? Nandito ba kaya? Do you suppose it's in here? Nandiyan ba kaya? Do you suppose it's in there? Nandoon ba kaya? Do you suppose it's in over there? Next are the sample phrases with lang kaya. Ito lang kaya? Do you suppose it's just this one? Iyan lang kaya? Do you suppose it's just that one? Iyon lang kaya? Do you suppose it's just that one over there? Nandito lang kaya? Do you suppose it's just here? Nandiyan lang kaya? Do you suppose it's just there? Nandoon lang kaya? Do you suppose it's just over there? Ayos ba? Up next is the combination of three enclitic particles na lang kaya. Ito na lang kaya? Do you suppose we choose this one instead? Iyan na lang kaya? Do you suppose we choose that one instead? Iyon na lang kaya? Do you suppose we choose that one over there instead? Dito na lang kaya? Do you suppose we put it here? Diyan na lang kaya? Do you suppose we put it there? Doon na lang kaya? Do you suppose we put it over there? Ayos ba? So far, so good. Here's our next set with naman kaya. Ito naman kaya. How about this one this time? Iyan naman kaya. How about that one this time? Iyon naman kaya. How about that one over there this time? Dito naman kaya. How about we put it here this time? Diyan naman kaya. How about we put it there this time? Doon naman kaya. How about we put it over there this time? If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button because that will help in growing this channel. Cool? Our last set is with the combination of na, naman, kaya. Ito na naman kaya? Do you suppose this is it again? Iyan na naman kaya? Do you suppose that is it again? Iyon na naman kaya? Do you suppose that over there is it again? Nandito na naman kaya? Do you suppose it's in here again? Nandiyan na naman kaya? Do you suppose it's in there again? Nandoon na naman kaya? Do you suppose it's in over there again? I know using Tagalog enclitic particles requires some getting used to. Combining them can be a bit daunting, but remember, they work best with understanding the context of a situation or a conversation. The best tip I can give you is to practice with your Filipino friends, family members, or partners. They will be more than happy to help you. In the next video, I will continue with more examples on combining the enclitic particle kaya with other particles. I will be focusing on sentences with verbs, so please be sure to catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.